Let's start. Go to file, select part, okay, to start a new part. Now from here change the background, make it plain white. Now right click on the front plane, select sketch to start a new sketch, choose center line and draw one vertical center line here. Okay, now choose center point arc and from the origin point draw here one arc. Okay, now choose line and from this point draw like this way. Okay, now choose smart dimension and keep the radius of this circle here 93 millimeter. Okay, and keep the angle between these two lines 31.56 degree and keep the radius of this circle 51.7 millimeter and keep the distance between these 2 points 10.2 millimeter and keep the length of this line 302.56 millimeter and this line will be 178.60 millimeter. The angle between these two lines keep here 56.8 degree. Now select these 2 points and make them horizontal. Okay, now select line and draw one horizontal line. Select smart dimension and keep the length of this line here 24.65 millimeter. Okay, now select all of this line and go for mirror entities. Choose here mirror about this center line. Okay, now go for sketch out. Go to feature and select extruded boss and extruded them, extruded 44.45 millimeter and draft angle 5 degree. Okay, now see, now select this face, go for sketch and choose here offset entities. Select reverse here, keep here the distance 19 millimeter. Okay, go to feature, choose extruded cut and cut it 5 millimeter. Okay, now select this face, go for sketch, make it normal, choose circle and draw one circle here. Select center line and from the origin point draw one vertical center line. Okay, now choose smart dimension and keep the length or distance here 113. Okay, and keep the diameter of this circle 57 millimeter and the distance between these 2 points keep here 175.75 millimeter. Okay, now select this circle, go for mirror entities and choose mirror about this center line. Okay, now go to feature, select extruded boss and extruded them 12.7 millimeter. Okay, to accept. Now see, now select fillet, give here 6.35 millimeter and select this lower circle or circular edge. Okay, again select fillet and give here 19 millimeter and select these edges. Okay, go to fillet once more, give here 25.4, these two A's. Okay, fillet once more and give here 12.7 millimeter and select item, select this upper face. Okay, again fillet 12.7 millimeter. Now select this lower face or lower edge. Okay, okay, again fillet. Now keep here 10 millimeter and select. Okay, remove it, select this 3s. Okay, now choose shell and give here 6.35 millimeter and select all of these phases. Okay, now see. Okay, okay, now again select fillet, keep here 2.54 millimeter and select these upper edges. Okay, fillet once more, keep here 0.25 millimeter, this upper face, this, and this. Okay, now see, this is our engine side cover. So friends, I hope you like it, and if you think this video is so much helpful to you, then you can subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit like, comment and share. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, please write it down below. I will try to answer each and every questions, and thanks for watching.